Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make your brownies fudgy. To achieve that perfect fudgy texture, start by using a higher ratio of fat to flour. This creates a dense, moist crumb. Melting your butter and chocolate together is key, as it forms a rich, emulsified base. Remember, a slightly underbaked brownie is a fudgy brownie, so watch your baking time carefully for that irresistible gooey center. The right ingredients are crucial for fudgy brownies. Aim for a higher proportion of fat, such as butter or oil, compared to your flour content. This reduces cake-like dryness. Using a significant amount of high-quality chocolate, around 8 to 10 ounces, provides deep flavor and a dense texture. Don't forget brown sugar. Its molasses content adds extra moisture and a delightful chewiness. Proper technique is just as important as ingredients. Once you add the flour, mix the batter minimally, just until combined. Overmixing develops gluten, leading to a tougher, more cake-like brownie. Bake your brownies at a moderate temperature, typically around 325 degrees Fahrenheit, for even cooking. Remove them from the oven when the edges are set but the center still has a slight wobble, indicating perfect fudginess. Patience is a virtue when it comes to fudgy brownies. Always let them cool completely in the pan before attempting to cut them. This allows them to set properly. For an even denser, chewier texture, try refrigerating your brownies for about 30 minutes before serving. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to maintain their delicious fudgy quality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.